and welcome back to AJ Cars. Now what we're going to be doing today, as you can see already, is going to be a POV drive in the stage 1 Seattle Cupra R. It's going to be almost not like a first drive, we've already done it, but it's going to be a POV for anyone wondering what it's like to drive a stage 1 car or even a stage 1 Leon Cupra R. So we're going to go through some back roads. We can't yet because these are 30 roads and we're going through the town, so we will be sensible, but we're going to go through some back roads. Oh, hello. Good job, I didn't start there. We'll go through some back roads, we'll give it a little bit, see what it's like. It's going to hook in this sort of weather, so it'll probably be the best time to do it. So once we've got through all this traffic, we'll cut to some nice pulls, we'll get some flybys, see what it's like. We're just leaving the town now, so I think it's time to give it a little bit, do this. That was the first little pull, and it hooked in every gear in that pull. So I was talking to John just before we did this video, and you guys don't know, but last week I actually had a coil pack blow. So on these cars I have been told that the coil packs will blow on stage 2, so people usually tend to go for the R8 coil packs. So I wasn't really thinking about it until one actually blew, and I was in Leamington at the time and I was stuck almost. I live about half an hour away from Leamington, so I had a bit of a problem. But I was talking to John saying I thought the coil pack actually affected the power almost. It might be really stupid, it probably doesn't, and I've looked at it and nothing there says that it does, but I feel like it's lost its power slightly. So when I changed it, it immediately felt a lot smoother, like the map already was, but it kind of didn't feel as aggressive. So I was skeptical to think like maybe it could have affected it slightly, but after that pull, after it finally hooked because of the good weather, I'm changing my mind a little bit now. Maybe it doesn't, but we're going to do some more pulls. We're going to see how it holds up. Hopefully I don't blow another coil pack and have to spend 400 odd quid on R8 coil packs, but hopefully it should be okay. We'll go there. We'll drive a bit calmly at the moment now. So I was just talking to John then, just off camera, and we've come to a conclusion now that around 300 to 350, around that sort of mark on the power, it's a usable power on these sorts of roads in the UK. So if you're not from the UK and you're watching, the UK roads, there's cameras everywhere, there's bends, the road in itself is terrible, like the terrain on the roads are awful in the UK. But I think 300 to 350 is about the most you really need in this sort of country. So especially because it's raining as well, you don't need loads of power when it's wet because it's pointless. But when it's nice like this and you've got 350, let's say, I think that is about the nicest power you can go for, because you can push it whenever you want to and it'll hook. But you also, it's nice to drive on a daily, because I drive this daily and we're just cruising now, 50 mile an hour, and we're cruising. It's nice. It's not hard to control. It's just, it's quite nice to drive, like it's smooth. So I think the power it's at now, I think it's a very easy usable power, and I'm happy with the power it's at now. I probably will take it a bit further to that 350 mark, because stage 2 will go 350. So I think at that point I might stop, maybe get a new car. I don't know, I might get bored of it before that. I might push it all the way, I don't know yet. But I think 350 is about the maximum you're gonna need in this sort of country. So I'm happy with the way it pulls right now, because it does pull quite nicely when you want it to. But if I want to drive it like I am now, I'll get decent fuel. It's not all over the place, and it's quite a usable car. So guys, that was the CLE and Cupra point of view. Just a quick little video to give you an idea of what it feels like to drive a stage 1 car. Next weekend we have got some exciting videos coming up, which we know you guys will enjoy, so stay tuned for them. But we will cut the video here. Hope you guys did enjoy it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.